morning to all. Today we are seeing the tobacco abuse. So tobacco is a major problem for all over the world. According to the World Health Organization, tobacco kills more than 7 million people in each year. Then what will happens to our body when we use tobacco and nicotine? When nicotine enter the body, it's initially cause the adrenal gland to release the hormones are called adrenaline. The causes of adrenaline, it increased in blood pressure, increased heart rate and faster breathing. Then tobacco abuse. Tobacco is obtained from tobacco plant. This nicotine obtained from tobacco plant, Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. Look at the pictures. This is a Nicotiana tabacum and Nicotiana rustica. It is obtained from the tobacco plant. It is a leafy plant grown around the world, including in parts of the United States. There are many chemicals found in tobacco leaves, but nicotine in that can leads to a addiction of nicotine. So the other chemicals produced by smoking tobacco such as tar, carbon monoxide, acetaldehyde and nitrosamines and also cause serious harmful to the body. These are the dangerous toxic chemicals. So for example, tar can cause lung cancer and affect breathing. And carbon monoxide, already carbon monoxide affect the heart problem. So next you can see that the dried leaves, curd leaves, young branches make it commercial tobacco use worldwide. Nicotine is stimulant, highly harmful and poisonous substances. Then how tobacco and nicotine products are used. Tobacco and nicotine products come in many forms. People can smoke, chew, snuff and inhale their vapors. There are two types of tobacco products are used. First one is smoked tobacco product. Another one is smokeless tobacco product. First one is smoked tobacco product. Another one is smokeless tobacco product. Inhaling tobacco smoke from cigars, cigarettes, BDs and pipes, hookah is called smoking. Next, tobacco is powder form is chewed within pan. When powder tobacco is taken through the nose, it is called snuffing. So this is a smoking tobaccos, smoked tobacco products. So this is a cigarettes, pipe, water pipe, cigars, BDs, hand rolled cigarettes and Cartex cigarettes. So this are cigarettes. Cigarettes are smoke contain more than 400 chemicals and especially 200 chemicals are poisonous. Then this is a pipes. So this is a water pipe. The water pipe tobacco use damaging to health and similar ways to cigarettes tobacco use. The next cigar and pipes. These two is cigar and pipe. This is cigar and this is a pipe. So some small cigars are hollowed out of to make room for marjuna. Then next one is beads. This is a beads. So beads are small, thin and hand rolled cigarette. So next one is, then this is a Cartex cigarettes are also known as the glow cigarettes because the good flavor, it is the flavor of glow. The flavor of glow, it is originated from Indonesia. Then smoking hazardous and effects of tobacco. So benzopyrene and polycyclic hydrocarbons present in tobacco. The smoke is carcinogenic, causing lung cancer. So the inflammation of throat and bronchi leading to conditions like bronchitis and pulmonary tuberculosis. look at the pictures. This is a examples of pulmonary tuberculosis, the inflammation of throat and branches. Also the cigarette smoking causes tuberculosis. Next one is emphysema. So the inflammation of lungs alveoli, this is a healthy lungs, then healthy alveoli, then harmful particles trapped in this alveoli. Trapped, they are taking cigarettes, they are next the harmful particles trapped in this alveoli. Next in the inflammatory response to trigger's. Next in the inflammatory chemicals dissolve the alveolar septum. Then it is a damaged alveoli after emphysema, the lung failures. So next, then inflammation, the carbon monoxide of tobacco smoke bind to hemoglobin of RBC and decreases its oxygen carrying capacity, causing hypoxia in body tissue. Tobacco, so chewing causes oral cancers. Next we will see the smokeless tobacco product. What are the smokeless tobacco product? You know any idea? Yes. So chewing smokeless tobacco products are not burned with this product. First one is chewing and snuff. Chewing is typically placed between the cheek and gums. So snuff, ground tobacco that can be snuffed, tried or placed between the cheek and gums. When smokeless tobacco is used, nicotine is absorbed through the mouth tissues directly into the blood, where it goes to the brain. Even after tobacco is removed from the mouth, it continues to be absorbed in its bloodstream. So, and also nicotine stay in the blood longer for users smokeless tobacco than for smokers. Then it is increase in the blood pressure, high cost. Smoking leads to the increased risk of heart disease. It is the duodenal ulcers. Tobacco chewing causes oral cancer. Then proper counseling and medical assistance can help the addiction of give up the habit of smoking. This is a prevention of smoking. The dangers of smoking and chewing tobacco. Adolescent and the old people need to be avoid the habits. Next, so on the 31st May, anti-tobacco day. Thank you.